You two are taking so long, I miss snack time.
I guess we better get some food. Oh my, those were all pretty good reasons, aren't they? Listen to that. I am starving, and I'm gonna make it on my own. And I certainly can't think straight with all this noise. Not to mention hunger. Now go on, shoot! Oh no, I've never heard answers so wrong. And so breakfast related.
Fine. Oh, nothing. Just taking a stroll. Well, sounds like someone.
Sleepy baby.
Was that another monster?
Nope. My stomach's growling. I guess I'm hungry for some more s'mores.